There are a lot of Dynamics ERP partners that say they specialize in manufacturing. But specialization is not the same as experience. Experience is not the same as results. And results are not the same as sustained commitment to a vertical. That's exactly why the ERP Software Blog created the 2026 Top Microsoft Dynamics ERP Partners for Manufacturing Companies list. This is not a popularity contest. It is an editorially curated list based on measurable criteria and documented expertise. Now let's briefly look at why a few of the 2026 award winners stood out. Intech Systems Private Limited. Intech Systems Private Limited combines high volume with deep focus, reporting 80% of their business in manufacturing and 25 new customers added in the past year. They provided two specific manufacturing case studies: electrical manufacturer, HVPP. Their 47 years of experience allows them to handle complex global projects involving business applications, Azure, and modern work, making them a robust partner for large-scale digital transformations. DSWI. DSWI maintains a high ranking, with 70% specialization in manufacturing and a clear focus on industrial equipment manufacturers, IEMS. There are 8 new customers in the past year and specific case study reference. Craig LLC support a strong narrative around the engineer-to-order ETO marketplace. They effectively address the unique needs of high-value, low-volume production, focusing on project-based manufacturing and field service integration. Dynamics Square. Dynamics Square demonstrates strong market momentum with 20 new manufacturing customers and a strong 85% specialization in the manufacturing vertical. They support a wide range of environments, from discrete to process manufacturing, focusing on end-to-end manufacturing life cycles. Their narrative highlights expertise in reducing production bottlenecks and integrating IoT data from the shop floor, utilizing Power BI to turn that data into actionable insights for production managers. Elliott Clark Consulting. Specializing in small to mid-sized manufacturers with 80% of their business in the vertical, Elliott Clark Consulting is a highly focused boutique firm. While their new customer count is modest, 5, their specialization score is elite. They differentiate themselves by focusing on recoveries and optimization, often stepping in to fix failing implementations. Their narrative emphasizes a process-first approach, diagnosing how materials actually move before touching software configuration. Archer Point. Archer Point demonstrated both depth and longevity. With 24 years serving the manufacturing industry, nearly half of their business dedicated to the vertical, and 23 new manufacturing customers added in the past year. They showed a rare combination of experience and continued growth. Their documented case studies and mid-market manufacturing expertise reinforced their strong editorial standing. Dexpro Dynamics. Dexpro Dynamics stood out for focused specialization. With approximately 50% of their business dedicated to manufacturing, they demonstrated meaningful concentration in the vertical. Their work in Dynamics 365 Business Central implementations, paired with strong thought leadership contributions, reflected hands-on implementation strength and technical clarity. Sabre Limited. With 100% of their business dedicated to manufacturing, Sabre Limited achieves the highest possible score for specialization. They back this focus with 15 new manufacturing customers over the past year and multiple case studies. For example, Uniram, Algreen. Their expertise is distinct, targeting print and packaging and engineer-to-order sectors, with specific extensions like PrintViz and a fixed-fee implementation model that reduces financial risk for clients. Volt Technologies. With 55% specialization in the manufacturing vertical and strong case study evidence, Monteith Company, building materials manufacturer, with 32 years of history and 9 new customers, they balance longevity with modern enterprise-grade thinking. Their experience with high-profile clients like Richard Childress Racing validates their ability to handle demanding, performance-critical manufacturing environments. Western Computer. Although their percentage of manufacturing specialization, 31%, is lower than the boutique firms, Western Computer merits inclusion due to their massive market momentum, adding 101 new manufacturing customers in the last year. With 37 years of experience, they focus on throughput, predictability, and quality. Their ability to deploy at this scale suggests a highly mature implementation engine, capable of serving manufacturers who need proven, repeatable best practices. Dynatech Systems. Dynatech Systems reports 60% of their business in manufacturing and provided 2 PDF case studies, boosting their strength in the manufacturing vertical. Their 10 new customers and 450-plus team size show scale. Their narrative highlights specific accelerators for yield tracking and scrap optimization. They demonstrate strong competence in complex areas like toll manufacturing automation and landed cost transparency. Quicksand Solutions, Inc. Reporting 75% of their business in manufacturing, Quicksand Solutions is a strong specialist. They validated their expertise with case studies, such as Atlantic Tube and Steel, and a focus on specific verticals like RV/trailer manufacturing and metal processing. Their submission highlights advanced technical capabilities, such as using Microsoft Fabric to process data from over 500 extrusion machines, demonstrating they can handle high-volume industrial data. Trinsoft. With 70% manufacturing specialization, Trinsoft is a standout for niche expertise. They offer proprietary IP called PHT+, specifically built for outsourced manufacturing and finishing services, plating, coating, heat treating. This deep IP focus, combined with 12 new customers and case studies such as Miller Plating, makes them the go-to partner for service-based manufacturers with complex routing and certification requirements. These award winners are just a few of the dozens of highly qualified partners who contribute to the ERP Software Blog. Congratulations to these top Microsoft Dynamics ERP partners for manufacturing companies. This list is updated twice per year, with the latest group of partners based on evidence-based criteria, including published thought leadership addressing analytical reporting and compliance challenges, in-depth customer case studies with measurable financial outcomes, demonstrated automation, accuracy, and efficiency improvements, scalability across multi-entity, multi-currency, and complex financial environments, and ongoing product innovation and roadmap strength. We also review quantitative indicators such as customer adoption, breadth of ERP integrations, and documented performance improvements. If you are a manufacturer evaluating ERP solutions, we hope this list serves as a trusted starting point in selecting the right implementation partner. Our goal is simple: help manufacturers identify partners who have demonstrated real, sustained, vertical manufacturing focus. Because the right Dynamics ERP partner doesn't just deploy software, they drive operational performance.